Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we will do worksheet of 2D and 3D shape. We have completed 2D and 3D shape. So let's do some worksheet. First question is match the following. We have to match the figure to the correct definitions or to the correct descriptions. Okay, let's see first figure. This is a cube. Okay, now match this cube to their correct definition. So let's see first definitions. No flat faces and no straight edge and only one curved face. Okay, but cube has a flat faces, that means this is not okay, this is not a definition of cube. So let's see second one curved face and one circular flat face. One curved face and one circular flat face, but this is not a definition of cube. Okay, let's see third one. 6 flat square faces and has 12 edges and 8 corners. Yes, this is the definition of cube. So this cube will match that descriptions. Okay, now let's see second figure. This is a cylinder. So let's see its correct definition. No flat faces and no straight edge and only one curve, but this is not a true definition of, this is not a definition of cylinder. Cylinder has a flat faces, that means this is not a definition of cylinder. So one curved face and one circular flat face, no, this is also wrong because cylinder has two circular faces. Let's see another one. One curved face and two circular faces, this is a correct definition of cylinder. So this figure will match to this. Okay, now let's see, this is a figure of cuboid. So let's see, no flat faces and no, this is not a definition of cuboid. One curved faces and one, this is also not a definition of cuboid. 6 flat faces and 12 edges and 8 corners. Yes, this is a definition of cuboid. This will match to this. Okay, now let's see another. This is a figure of cone. So let's see which is a correct definition of cone. No flat faces and no straight edge and only one curved face. Okay, but cone has a one flat face, that means this is not a true correct definition of cone. One curved face and one circular flat face, that this is correct. Okay, this cone figure will match to this. Okay, now last one is, what is the figure of this sphere? So only one is left, that means this figure will match to this. Okay, so this is first questions. Now let's see second. This is a filling the blanks. Okay, let's see first. A dash has dash corners and dash sides. All sides are equal, that means this is the this is the definition of which figure? Square. Okay, because all sides are equal, that figure is square. So a square has 4 corners and 4 sides. Okay, let's see second one. A rectangle has dash corners and dash sides. The opposite sides are dash. So what is the definition of rectangles? Rectangles has 4 corners and 4 sides and the opposite sides are equal. Okay, 4 corners, 4 sides and opposite sides are equal. Okay, now that's the third one. A dash has 3 corners and 3 sides. So which is the figure that has 3 corners and 3 sides? That is triangle. Triangle is a 2D shape. Okay, now let's see another one. Identify the shape. Now you have to identify the shape of the object. The first object is book. So now tell me, what is the shape of book? Book is a cuboid. Okay, cuboid shape. Now next one is dice. Dice is the shape of cube. Okay, because all faces are square. Ball is a sphere. Okay, now cold drink can is a cylinder shape. Okay, so that is so today we done worksheet of 2D and 3D shape. So tomorrow we will do prism. Okay, we will do prism. So bye bye, take care.